Gorilla Tape is a strong multi-layered adhesive tape, much stronger than duct tape. Has some good applications in bike repair as well as in making bicycle accessories. We'll show you some of the uses and give you at the end some tips on cutting and applying Gorilla Tape. Bicycle shoes, backpacks, and tents. You can also use the Gorilla Tape as a rim tape. Make sure you cut it to the proper size. Multi-tool cases, which will hold up a whole lot better than just using duct tape. Water resistant wallet, and we'll cover these items in other videos. When you cut a section of Gorilla Tape, it can be quite sticky and difficult to handle. Take your fingernail on one end, fingernail on the other, move it to where you want it with the sticky side up, and this will be ideal in making accessories. Also, be careful if it gets folded over on itself. It is virtually impossible to peel off, and if it does, it takes part of the adhesive off with it. The black form of Gorilla Tape appears to be water resistant, while the clear form appears to be waterproof. So in conditions where you need something that is waterproof, go ahead and use the clear form. If anybody has used Gorilla Tape or similar tape such as Flexi Tape for bicycle repair or bicycle accessories, please comment below. Please subscribe and watch for other upcoming tips and tricks. This is Tony of Tony 10 Speed Safe Cycling.